Hey guys, this is Kate and Taney. I am going to show you how to use Kahoot for my first tutorial for AEP 800 on this mod 15. So Kahoot is a learning game that makes it really fun to make quizzes. You can also use this just to review your classroom expectations or anything like that. So signing up. I want to use Kahoot as a teacher, and it has single sign-in, so you can sign in using your school email, which I am going to do. And I've already created one, so you'll see some Kahoots I've already created. Okay, so if I go to Discover, they have tons and tons and tons of quizzes that are already created for you. So you can search to find a Kahoot about any particular topic. So like if I wanted to say math, I could find a Kahoot. They usually have some kind of description, so you can look at pre-made ones, see their description, preview those questions, and see if that's something you want to use, or you can create your own. So Kahoots. Here are some that I've already created. So using credit review, classroom expectations, personal financial literacy, chapter 4 vocab, things like that. So to create one, you just go to create, and they have different types. They have a quiz, they have where you have like all four of these buttons on the student's screen that they can click, or they have to drag and drop the answers in the right spot, or you can take a survey where you pose a question, they submit a response, and it shows you the reports. I'm going to show you how to create a quiz. So creating a new quiz, you give it a title, let's say demo. Or let's say there we go. Okay, you can add a picture, so you can click on their library. Let's just say that one, it's cute. And you have the choice to make it visible to everyone or to make it private. You can change the language, and they give credit to wherever those pictures come from if you choose one from their library, or you can upload your own. So you click OK, go. And then it's very easy. You add your question. Okay. You can set a time limit. I think it goes all the way up to 5 minutes. So you can change it all the way up to 300 seconds if you want to. And then do you want this to award points? Yes or no? So it makes it like a game for the kids. So I always click yes. For the answers, we can say green, rainbow, blue. You can check whichever one's the correct answer and then hit next. Let's just do one more. Correct one. And then once you've created your questions, you hit save. You can preview it, edit it, play it. I'm going to click on play it, and it will give you a game code. You pick classic, so either team or classic. I always pick classic. It's one-to-one devices. That way every student enters their own. So now that game code's going to pop up here. So now that you have the students do, Sorry, what you have the students do, the students go onto their Chromebooks and they go to kahoot.it and it asks for that game pin. So they are typing in 112113. One one two one one three. Yep. And they can create a name. I always make my kids pick an object, so that way they don't have to identify themselves. Some of the kids who are at the top of the leaderboard, they don't mind, but some who are at the bottom of the leaderboard, they're kind of embarrassed. So if you just have everybody pick an object, our whole 7th grade staff actually made a key, so we assigned an object Kahoot name to every 7th grader. So they type in their Kahoot name. That way we have a register that tells us who is who, but they don't have to be identified to their peers unless they tell them. And then clicks OK, go. And now it's back on the teacher who has this on the main screen. They can see how many players have logged in. So if you know you've got 12 kids in the class and this only says 11 players, you can say, okay, I'm waiting on one, I'm waiting on one. And then you can see the names that pop up. If an inappropriate name is put in there, you just have to click on it to kick them out. So I usually don't put this on the big screen until everybody's logged in because I'm dealing with middle schoolers, let's be honest. And sometimes they put in things that you don't want up on the big screen. So then you click Start, and now on the kids' screen, they cannot see the question. On the teacher's screen, you say, what color is the sky? On the kids' screen, they just see this. So they are trying to answer by clicking the correct shape in 20 seconds. And then we'll tell you who's correct. And then the teacher shows the leaderboard. It gives you like a placement. So if there was a whole bunch of students, they would have 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th place on their leaderboard. And then you go to the next question. So the teacher's side, it says, what is my name? On the student side, it just gives you the buttons. So my name is Cadence. So I'm going to click on this one. Correct. Teacher clicks moving on. And then once the quiz is over, you have your leaderboard. I've got my points. And then I'm ready to go to get results. So this is really nice because then you can download those results. So if I click Save Results, I can save it to my drive. And I've created a Kahoot folder already. So my Kahoot results, I can just save it in there. So I have a copy in my drive, or if I go back to the Kahoot website and click on Reports, I can click on that game that was just played and download the results there. So either way, if you're using this for formative data or for a quiz or whatever, you still have all of that data recorded and available to you. So that is my demo. Hopefully this is helpful, and thanks for watching.